Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to discussing how to add a shop the look feature to Shopify store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So this is a really trendy feature. If you want to add it, you can use an integration for that. So I'm going to be searching in here shop the look. Let me just remove that extra e. Then I'm going to be jumping straight on to my app store. From this section here we can see that we have shop the lookbooks and all that showing up in here. I highly suggest this one since this is going to be providing you the best of what you're looking for. So you can see shop the look, and that's how we are going to be basically performing. So now you can see we have various other features related to that as well, and make sure to give a try to this one, and see you guys in the next video. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.